Welcome everybody. Into this video we are going to learn how to make this pop-up effect in Canva. It's very easy to do, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. All right, welcome. So these are the two images we'll be using for this tutorial. So we're going to be working on the first one. So let's come to element and just search for frame, and let's scroll up to the end. We have these ones here, so let's just see all. So let's use the circle. So we have this one. So for the image, let us crop out this extra edge. Okay, and we are going to make a duplicate and drag this one into the circle. Okay, for the circle, we're going to go to the position structure and let's make it center. The image, we're going to make it center also. Okay, now we have both at the center. Okay, for the one outside, which is this one, let's just remove the background first. Okay, now that we've removed the background, we're going to center it. So we're going to select the one behind. Let's go to the position and we're going to bring it to the top. Okay, let's select it and drag it to the top. Okay, now that we have it at the top, we're going to scale it. Okay, let's scale it the way we want, and let's have it a little bit above the circle. Okay, a little bit above the circle. Okay, now that we have it like this, we're going to crop out this part so that we can have a little place to hold the one behind. Okay, now all we need to do is to double click, and now that we have it selected, we're going to scale the image inside so that it matches with the one outside. Okay, so just be careful here, and because this can either make or mar your design. Okay, so as you are scaling, make sure you are looking at the edges if they match correctly, and just take your time and just do the matching. Okay, I think I'm pretty cool here, so I'm just going to click done. Okay, now we're going to select the one in the front and we're going to crop out this part. Okay, just crop out the part. Okay, to make sure that you've gotten it right, you're just going to zoom in to make sure that you don't see any weird line. You can see you don't notice if this was really on top or just behind. So now that you're done, all you need to do is to select both of them and group. Okay, now you can scale it to the size you want and position it wherever you want. Okay, so that is for the first one. For the second one, the same thing applies. Okay, it's not different, so I'm just going to do this with you again. So slice off this edge. Okay, for this one we are going to use another one. Okay, let's bring in this one and let's scale it down to the size that we want, and let's make a copy of this. Then we're going to drag this one into the design. Then we have this one which is outside. Now we're just going to remove the background. Okay, now that we have this, we're going to go inside this one and scale it. Okay, scale it, let it be above, let it be bigger than the frame. Okay, so that we have some edge here. Okay, and just click done. So all you need to do now is to align. Okay, we're going to come here and just try as much as you can to drag this one so that it be in this position. Okay, something like this. Okay, now that we have it like this, we're going to double click on the one in the frame again. All we need to do now is to make sure that we align it with the one on the outside. Okay, just position it in a way that it will match, and that will be all for it. Okay, I think we are okay here. So all we need to do now is to bring the one at the back. We can just slice it off, and the same thing, the same effect. Okay, and let's scale in to see if we are actually getting this right. Okay, you can see there is no line there. Okay, and it's pretty cool. So we can select group and we have our design, and that is how we're able to achieve both of the design. So you can do your background to fit the image, and that is pretty cool. So for this one, it's very easy. All you need to do is to come here, go to your gradient and select any one of your choice. You can come here now and just position this. Okay, so we have this one for the background. I'm just going to make this one a whole purple, and we are done. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button if this is your first time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get videos like this, and turn on the notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.